What it do, God? It's Kid FX, Jakoda gang. This is just gonna be a quick video, man. Just want to show you guys how to use the forecast tool. What is the forecast tool? The forecast tool is the tool that you use that shows you that you either hit your target, okay? It's gonna show you that you either hit your target or not. And at the end of the day, if it did, it's gonna tell you, okay, it was successful, or it's gonna tell you you failed. But either way, failure does not exist. Okay, it's only learning. So I just want to show you guys how to use the forecast tool. Okay, so I'm going to show you where to find it, how to use it, and when you hit your take profit, it's going to tell you it's successful. It's just a fancy tool you could use. I'm just dropping this so you guys can know that. Just sharing valuable information. Some people know this, some people don't, but it's just nice to share information. So this is how you find the focus tool is right. It should be right. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see the 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the focus tool is the when you go to the trading view, the sixth from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, is on number 6. Then you click the arrow, then you click focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, it's the seventh one. So yeah, my bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The seventh two, you click the arrow, then you see focus, and all you gotta do is take it from the point that it started to the point where you believed that is gonna hit your take profit. So look at what I'm doing. You see that? You see it's coming down, and this was my take profit. And you just bring it down there, and you just let it go. So that's the arc right there. The arc right there, the green arch, that is your forecast tool, and it'll tell you either it was successful or not. So it's just a nice tool to add to your artillery. Let me see if I can update the text because you can't really see it. Make it black. So now white. Make sure we can see the text. Okay, so there we go. You can see the text. Target background. We're gonna make it black. Now we're gonna make it gray so we can read the text. We're gonna make it white. We're gonna make it white so we can see the text. So yeah, just go into it, and it helps you visualize your stuff and let you know where you started from and where you ended, and it's just a fancy tool. It's just gonna tell you, hey, success has been successful. You hit your take profit. I love you guys. Comment, share, subscribe. Um, let's grow this channel. This channel I'm doing it to show progression in my trading career because it's always good to know that you came from somewhere. Okay, so let's continue to support each other. Drop a link to your YouTube. I subscribe back. I always show love back. So holla back at your boy. The YouTube is God is Ken FX. Again, God is Ken FX. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Share the love. I show the love back. Holla back at your boy. All right.